Hi, today we're going to show you the new tailored bike, a little bit about product and what is inside the box. So when you first open the bike, you will have the bike tracker itself. It also comes with a micro USB charging cable, a screwdriver, a dummy to insert to the other side of the handlebar. You also get the SIM card with the SIM card number and the email, which is also listed on this declaration. And you will get the quick start guide. So this is the device itself. To turn it on, you press this button. You can see it's not blinking now, but if I hold it down, it will start lighting up green. And to check if it's on, you just press it one time and it blinks twice. So when you are going to install this into your bike, you just push it into the handlebars all the way up to this point. This part have to stick out. Then under this protective cap we got 2 screws, and with the included screwdriver you will start tightening this. So you tighten one side and then you start tightening the other side. So when you're doing this, the rubber parts expand. You will start to get some resistance. And you will do this all the way until it's stuck inside the handlebar. And if you got a smaller handlebar, you get actually 2 layers of rubber right here. So if you got a smaller handlebar, which don't need that much expansion, you can take this off, or you can just leave it on. So this is the dummy, and it's for the other side of the bike handle. So when both parts are protruding, they will look the same. And it works just the same way. With the 2 screws you tighten to expand this part. Also included is the charging cable, which is when you have inserted the bike into the bike handle, you don't have to take it out to charge it. You just put the charger directly inside, and you can charge it while it's still in the bike.